I don't know. He's kind of a retard if you haven't noticed yet.
I don't know how to fix that.
Christian, what is this thing?
The 1998 Ford Escort.
And why do you have this?
Well, if you gonna be watching the video that Philip might be putting on his channel, I crashed a Mustang.
Yeah. Oh shit! I almost ate shit twice. This thick boy right here crashed his Mustang, so now he's got this mint.
Hey,
Ford Escort.
it's not bad, bro.
So. Yeah, don't worry. Well, Christian crashed. I didn't really crash. I had someone back into me because they think they're cool. No.
Jake ran into him.
Yeah, this car would be mint except for this.
You have the new bumper though for it.
Yeah, we never painted it.
Just paint the thing already.
I know. So.
You have to take that grill out of there then and put it on the new one.
I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. But anyways, our plan for today right now is we're gonna clean this thing out for the most part. I brought over all my stuff, which is not much, but something. I should have brought. You know what I should have brought?
What?
My microfiber.
Oh, well I think we got some.
God. Okay, so we got somewhat far. Well, I didn't do shit. He did all the work. He vacuumed out most of the interior of the car there, seat, most of this side of the car. So I'm hungry. I'm a Jew. I want to go into town, buy a pizza from Little Saucers. So he's gonna come with me, and then once we get back, he's gonna start vacuuming the other side of the car, and I'm gonna start detailing the inside of the car. Well, not detail, mainly cleaning, but I'll try to detail. But even here, I'll show you on the inside. You see this like moldy shit up here? I don't know if you can hear. There. That used to look like all right here, but that's from one wipe, and it's clean and it looks mint. So.
All right, come look at how much change so far we found
In the car. That's all the change we found. We're gonna buy a tank of gas with that. Most of those are quarters. Quarter.
No, they gotta guess in the comments how much that is.
Yeah,
and
how
I'll
much
give
is
it
that?
if they can guess how much it is. I'll give it to Philip.
Oh, okay. I'll take it.
So like, yeah.
All right. So you coming with me?
Yeah. I gotta tell my girl.
All right, go do it. Okay. So I never did a video on it, but Versa got a light bar down there, and I ghetto wired it in with the switch. I haven't actually put the switch in correctly yet, but turn that on. I'll turn on the headlights too, because it looks cooler with the headlights on too. If you come over here, I think it looks pretty neat. I'll show you guys a video of it at night when it's darker, but honestly, it's so incognito and it looks so good. It's a 32-inch nightlight, I think they call it. It was like $35 and it's pretty nice. What do you think?
I still have that. What? What do you think?
Oh, the leap bar. The leap bar.
Oh, piece of shit. I don't like it. My light bar's better on mine once I get it in.
Okay, come here, you motherfucker.
No, it looks good. I like how it's tucked away inside.
Yeah.
You just keep whatever.
Oh, and my exhaust kind of fell off, so this is what this thing sounds like now. Alrighty?
Okay. Oh, look at my new ride. 2017 Silverado LT. Yeah.
Here, let's get a nice clip of this thing accelerating.
Okay. was so blurry the whole time.
Really?
Yeah, we'll have to, here, we can do another one here. I'll just have to get to focus on it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Have a cop sitting up here. This thing's like fucking sick.
Ooh, West Street Park's right there. Huh.
Where's my phone? This thing's fucking mint. There it is.
Dude.
Damn.
Mint, right there, mint.
Dude, I'm honestly such a fucking ricer. Like, I'm literally having a fucking orgasm over this shit. This thing's fucking mint. Gotta get it on Snapchat. I don't like the front end as much. Some dude cut the parking lot. I thought it was at me. I'm like, what the fuck? Fuck. Oh my god, this thing's thick. Ooh.
Damn.
So we just got back, but we picked up this faggot now.
So, yeah, we're back here basically. Yeah. I just did a massive drug deal. I got like $5 worth of singles in here, so I'm that hardcore. Hey, is the camera back on me? Do I look good? Okay, so yeah, basically like these guys out here like don't even fuck with me. Like I buy all my like cocaine and DMT all for cheap because like these guys don't even fuck with me. Like we're just out here, bro. Wait, why are you laughing? I'm trying to do like a short documentary.
All right.
So yeah, we're just like out here sipping Coronas and stuff. Cutting limes.
I know who you're referencing right now.
Nelk.
Go climb in that building, sit on the roof and eat some cheese curds. That would never ever cross my mind when I was a kid. I'd be like, no, man. Someone's gonna see me sitting on the roof and say, what the hell, and call the cops. Oh, look, that happened.
I don't know. He's kind of a retard if you haven't noticed yet.
I don't know how to fix that.
Cute.
So I'm gonna go home, see if mom likes me or not when I get there, and pretty hungry.
All right.